Welcome back. Recovering from knee surgery can be a long, painful process, but at Aurora BayCare Medical Center, a new treatment is allowing patients to get back on their feet more quickly than ever. Aaron Taylor explains in Health Watch.
Knee replacement surgery patients at Aurora BayCare Medical Center are getting back to their lives after surgery faster, thanks to a minimally invasive treatment administered before surgery. Robert Rugg is using his new knees to get back on the golf course.
Before the surgeries, it was difficult to walk. Just to go to a grocery store, I'd have to lean on a grocery cart.
He was basically bone on bone. He had a lot of stiffness with his knees and just generalized pain with almost all activities.
With help from his doctor at Aurora BayCare Medical Center, Robert decided to undergo replacement surgery for both knees. Recovery from the first surgery was a lengthy process.
It was like 4 months of therapy and 5 or 6 months before I actually had no more pain.
To cut down on recovery time for his second knee replacement, Robert's doctor recommended a minimally invasive treatment prior to the surgery.
So basically we're using a needle that's attached to a nitrous oxide canister, so it gets really cold. We inject that right by some of the nerves around the front of your knee, and that basically freezes those nerves.
The nerves take 2 to 3 months to recover.
And during that time period, that nerve doesn't transmit as many pain signals back to your brain,
allowing patients like Robert to recover with less pain.
I had surgery done, I think, like I said, September 25th, and I was golfing November 1st, so huge difference.
A difference multiple knee replacement patients have noticed.
I've had several patients where I did their first knee replacement prior to us using this treatment and the second one after, and almost every patient like that has said, boy, the second knee was so much easier to recover from and much less painful.
The healing time was minimal. Within a month I was up walking around with no pain. I actually went to 2 therapy sessions, that was it. Your rehab is so quick with it. And it's just a totally new life.
A new life Robert is enjoying with his new knees.
I can actually ride a bike, which I haven't been able to do for years. Me and my wife spend the winters in Florida. We go for walks in the morning, which I could never do before. If I have to, I could walk the whole 18-hole course.
Aurora BayCare is the first orthopedic group in the state of Wisconsin to offer this minimally invasive treatment. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email HealthWatch at aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Aaron Taylor, Local 5 News.